I'm Sarah Churchwell. I'm the Chair of Public Humanities at the School of Advanced Study at the University of London. The National Humanities Lecture is an annual celebration of the importance of the humanities in public life. And this year's speaker is Elif Shafak, an award-winning novelist and public thinker, who this year is reflecting on storytelling, democracy, and the importance of the humanities in our technologically driven world. The humanities give us the tools to ask different questions, to think historically, imaginatively, critically. They help us think about where we are, and they also help us ask questions about how we might build a better future. Just as the sciences study the natural world, the humanities study the human world, and we need really to bring knowledge of both together in order to understand where we've been, where we are now, and where we're going. The School of Advanced Study is the UK's national centre for the promotion of humanities research, and we believe that it's vitally important to bring the humanities into conversation with the public. The humanities are a public good, and we think it's incredibly important that everybody is part of the conversation. The National Humanities Lecture is a way of opening up those conversations and celebrating the incredibly important work that the humanities does.